So I managed to get her off the car trailer, and now it is time to give her a really good clean. So yeah guys, we'll hit her with a pressure washer and get her cleaned up, and we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, it's blinking hot out here, so I've just washed the exterior, just given it a first initial clean from all the dirt from QR, and now we are going to get into the first degrease and clean down of the engine bay. So let's get stuck into it. Just going to plug up all these holes in the engine bay so we don't get water inside. We don't want that to happen. Same with the fuel line, just any lines that are open that have fluids in them or where water can get in, we'll just block off and we'll give it a really good blast. Let's see how she comes up. Got the degreaser out, pressure washer. So yeah guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Did it come up looking a lot better? It's early days yet, but yeah, I think so. Even the steering rack, you can see on the subframe where the power steering lines run, much cleaner. So guys, I think I'll leave it at that. Just giving her a great pressure wash, pretty much all over and underneath. Looking a lot better already. Yeah, look, early days yet. This is just the first initial clean. I've just got to remove all the stickers. Yeah, engine bay's come up really nice compared to what it was like before. It was super dirty. Subframe is much cleaner now with all the power steering lines cleaned up beautifully. Steering rack's cleaned up. You can see now where all the rust is. I might just leave it at that for today. It would only be fair for this car to get reborn is if all the old stickers from everyone else are removed. So we'll probably replace this with Joe Yates 77 or something like that. Yeah, like I said, go check this guy out. I am subscribed to Jacob. Haven't met him in person, but seems like a top bloke. So yeah, go check him out, that'd be great. I do have his old car. I'm cheering. I'll make it great again. Alright guys, so that is it. That is a wrap for the weekend. Looking pretty. All nice and clean now. So yeah, quarter glasses. I've taken the stickers off. Same with the front windscreen. Wifey's in watching TV, you can hear it. So that's a wrap. We'll probably leave it there. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. And yeah, welcome to the garage. We've got the S15 and the 180SX. Awesome. I'm so stoked. See you around. Take care guys. Bye. Alright guys, new car time. Yeah.